Video I'm going to explain how to write a calculation to display the maximum number of tickets resolved by an employee for each day. So I'm going to use tickets data. Let me open the data to show the data structure. So here we have ticket ID assigned to unresolved date. Our requirement is to show the number of tickets resolved, maximum number of tickets resolved per each day. Okay, let me load this data in Tableau. I'm going to drag resolve date and assign to the rows. Right click, choose exact date and then convert it to discrete. Now right click to create a new calculated field and name the calculation as hash of tickets. I'm going to use count distinct function to count number of tickets, ticket ID, and then click OK. Drag this calculation next to the text. So now we can see on 15th maximum tickets is resolved by Abdul and number of tickets is 3. On 16th it is maximum tickets resolved is 2 and all the employees in particular date resolved 2 tickets. So now we need to display only the maximum number of tickets resolved for each day. So I'm going to write another calculation. So I'm just going to name as max tickets. So here we are going to use window max function, which returns the maximum value present in this data set. As we need count of tickets, I'm going to use count distinct and ticket ID, then click OK. Let me drag this calculation next to assigned to see the output of this calculation. Right click, choose discrete. So now this calculation, as you know, Windows Max is a table calculation. So the calculation is performed based on the partitioning of the data. So if you see here, it's currently performing table down, and the maximum tickets resolved per each day by an employee is 5. So it is repeating everywhere 5, but we need at the level of resolved date. So we need to find out the maximum tickets that resolved on particular date. So I'm going to change the addressing and partitioning of this one. To do that, right click and select edit table calculation, go to specific dimensions and then select assigned to, so that it returns maximum tickets resolved on particular date. So the number 3 is repeating for every record present on 15th. It's because the maximum tickets resolved on this date is 3. So you can see 3 is repeated everywhere. Now if you can equate this one to count of tickets, then we will get true only at the record where we have maximum number of tickets resolved by an employee on particular date. So right click and edit. So I'm going to edit this calculation, and when this calculation is equal to the count of tickets, then click OK. So now if you can see, this calculation returns true when there is a maximum tickets resolved on particular date. Let me drag this calculation to the filters, then select true, click OK. So again, this is the table calculation. We need to edit the table calculation and then go to specific dimensions and choose assigned to, then click OK. Double click again to select only true, and then click OK. now that data is showing only the maximum tickets resolved on each date. So we can right click and just hide this one, or we can just remove this calculation. I just kept there for explanation. Okay, so that's it. So on 15th, Abdul has resolved maximum number of tickets. On 16th, 3 employees have resolved 2 tickets, which is the highest on that particular date. Okay, so that's it. I hope this calculation is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.